Hello guys, welcome back again. So if you have received this email, that means that your account has been successfully activated, and I'll say congratulations. Now to move on, you have to tap on this Mavic Cloud link. So let's tap on it. So this will bring us to their website. So in order to sign in, you tap on this icon. So let's tap on it. And you tap in your user name. Remember the information that we entered, the username that you entered. You tap on next. Tap here. You tap on next. And tap in your password. You tap next. So this is what we call the end panel. So this panel gives you an overview of your website and some necessary incentives that you need to run your website. Now I'll let you go through this. If you have any questions, you can forward it to me on the page, but I'll be taking you through only one thing here, that is the installation of a WordPress, because this is what we'll be using throughout our web design career. So without much ado, let's hop on and see. So this gives you the overview of your website, and when it comes next, this also gives you the overview of the hosting. So I remember that I told you that this website grants you a free website plus a hosting, literally domain plus a hosting, free. So these are the information. If you want anything from concerning your domain and your hosting, you can just come here. Everything is here. Now I've also talked about the SSL. This SSL certificate allows your website to be of high security. A website that doesn't have SSL certificate, that means that it's eligible to hackers or scammers. But if you install that SSL, that means that your website is highly authenticated and it can't be hacked by any hacker or a scammer. So for example, when you tap it to know whether you have SSL or not, you tap on the browser here. Let's tap on it. You see that it gives you some information about that website. So connection is secured. So that means that this website has SSL certificate installed. But if in a case that it wasn't having any SSL, it will indicate that connection is not secure. That means that they'll give you some information. That means that you must not enter any delicate, let's say, bank details, personal information or passwords into that account. But so far as this account has SSL, that means that your account is secure and good to go. So when at the first time of logging in, they will give you this kind of message. You just tap on activate. So it's free, but in other domains they sell it, but this website grants you that for free. So let's tap on install WordPress. Now this is the process of installing the WordPress. So if you want to read, just read and accept. Then tap on next. Here you have to enter some necessary information. So whatever name that you want to give your database. Let's see, I always go with hard. So username, hard one. Password, make sure that your password, you remember the password. That this password, if you don't want to confuse yourself, just use the previous password that you used. It's quite simple. So after entering the password, you register as what, admin, or if you want you can change the name. So the admin tool, please just use the same password that you have used. So if your admin email, just enter your email that you use. Leave everything, whatever you want to name your site. Let's say moms. Then just ignore everything and tap on next. So here just tap on finish. So voila, we have installed our site on WordPress. Now WordPress is a kind of a site that we use to manage our blog or our website. So with this WordPress, you can able to edit your website page, everything that you need as a content to your website. Probably if let me put it this way, WordPress allows you to address your website. without any coding. So with WordPress, there is nothing like coding for you. You can dress up your website to be as professional as you want without even touching a single code. So this is amazing. So in the next step, we are going to be dealing with WordPress. So in order to do that, let's open a new tab. So in this tab on the search engine, just copy your website's name. Just copy everything, copy it, and come and put it inside your search bar. Tap on /wp dash admin. So this is how it looks like if you want to visit your admin page of your WordPress account. Then tap on go. So here you have to sign in with the email and the password that you use in the registration or the installation of the WordPress. So let's say add. And tap on login. And tap on the email is correct. Then voila, we are on our home page of WordPress. So this is the home page. This is what we'll be doing about our WordPress account. So everything is done here. Here you can do a lot of things with your WordPress account. So you have the home. You can manage your post, media, pages, comments, and a whole lot of things here. So in our next video, we are going to be dealing a whole lot of stuff with WordPress. But let's check whether our website is really working. But first of all, let me just install some theme. So themes are just like templates that's already made, in which when you install, your website will resemble that. So with the help of these themes, there's no need of you coding to form your website. There's no HTML or CSS so that you can beautify your website. There are already made themes here which you can download and change some details in it, and most of them, in fact 90% of them, are free unless you want a luxurious expensive theme for your blah blah. So let's just install one. Let's see, I'm kind of like this one. I tap on it and tap on install. After installing, then you activate. So after activating, some themes will comes with extra, or let me put it to be, some incentives for it to work properly. Like when you are having a phone, you need some earphones, some battery, some chargers. So those are the extras. So some themes come with extras. If you want to enjoy the thing, then you have to install that extra actions that comes with the thing. So here we don't need it now. Let's leave it. So now you come to new tab and tap in your blog name. Let's see, Momsville, and tap on go. So here we are. We have a newly blown website without any code. So throughout the process, there's no coding, there's no payment of anything. You have prepared a fully blown website without paying anything and without coding. So in our next video, we'll be learning how to dress this code to look like this. So here you learn all about WordPress and how to dress our website to look nicely and catchy. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.